Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, my future employer. Allowing me to introduce myself. I'm a Ted N. Fuentes, 35 years old, single parent from the Philippines. I graduated in high school. We are 5 members of my family. I'm the youngest. I have a work experience before, first in Jordan from 2014 to 2029. I taking care the old
2019.
2019,
So how long did you work in Jordan?
5 years.
5 years. So what are your duties and responsibility?
My duties are taking care the elderly and then do the household chore like cleaning, ironing, and cooking.
Okay, how about in Hong Kong? How long did you work in Hong Kong?
From 2023 until 2025.
Okay, finished contract, right?
Yes,
2 years.
ma'am.
So how many are there in the family?
They are 2.
Only one helper in the house?
We are 2.
2 helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
I'm taking care of the 2 dogs and 2 cats.
What do you want to take care, newborn or children?
Elderly. I want the elderly.
So
Yes.
do you have experienced elderly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
have tattoo?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
have vision problem?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police
No, ma'am.
cases? So, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
First, ma'am, because of the high salary and I want to support my daughter and the environment of Hong Kong. It's very nice.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.